that, I guess. Ow! Someone bit me? Rat poop? That's not good. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna finish taking out the rest of the motor and drop the transmission hopefully. And hopefully we have enough time today. If not, probably have to finish it another day, but we're gonna just try to get as much done as possible. And yeah man, take a look at this though. That's rat poop. That's not good. Let's hope that the wiring is still good and he didn't freaking gnaw through anything. That would be bad. Oh, let's hope. Oh, we have a lot of work to do still. Still have to take out the motor, take out the transmission. The clutch is worn out, so we gotta change that. I have a new clutch for this car, and we also need to work on everything else, like the body. I think it's this side. No, not this side. This side is fine. This fender's fine. I think. Oh yeah, so it's this side. This fender's messed up. We also have this little dent in the back right here that we need to fix, and this bumper is kind of messed up too. We have the NT03s end keys on here. We need to touch up a little bit. It's kind of scuffed up. Also, the brake calipers are faded. What else? We have a lot to do. And these headlights, these gotta go. My dad tried to repair these a long time ago, and I mean, it still works, but this is all janky. Gotta change it out. But these headlights, well, these aren't even MR. These are, I guess, standard Evo headlights. We just painted it inside gray or black, silver, whatever. But yeah, these are old. We need to change these out. But dude, these MR headlights are so expensive now. I think we're just gonna buy the regular ones and then do the same thing, take it apart, probably just paint it the same, maybe MR spec. But yeah, and I think we're gonna change this whole front brace. But overall, the body is pretty solid. This car used to be blue, then I changed it to white. I should have kept it wicked white, but I think we're gonna change it back to wicked white. This interior is just all messed up too. We gotta change this. Well, we can just paint this interior, like the bottom here. We should have to clean it out. This we need to reupholster. What else? This pretty much just needs a cleaning. The dash is still good, so that's good. But I guess overall it's not that bad. Let's see the wing. I don't remember if the wing was faded. I don't know. The wing is still good, dude. The wing is still pretty mint. This is scratched out. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's pretty solid. Needs a lot of work. Oh, these moldings too, pretty much faded. These ones too, all scuffed up. I think we have extra ones of these and these two. And I believe this mirror shakes a lot, so I might need to replace these two. So I also need to get suspension, because these ones are pretty much janked up too. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. But today, let's get jamming on this. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. Okay, so first plan of attack, we're gonna take out the subframe, take out the suspension, and we're just gonna drop the whole subframe with the motor. My dad has this little contraption to pull the cars, because he's usually by himself. So this makes it a lot easier for us to move the car out. You'll see how it works. It's pulling. There you go. All right. All right. Oh, it's been a while. We're moving. Yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Way easier than us just trying to back up the car by ourselves. All right. I think we're good. That thing's pretty sick. Yeah. All right. Oh, make sure these are secure. All right. Pretty good. So this thing is connected to this little contraption my dad made. And this is powered by a battery. It's pretty sick. More rat poop. But the rat has been eating poison right here.
Right there.
Pretty sure he's dead. Car's out of the way. Start working on it. This is that one.
This was here. I guess this thing was open, but the turbo, but he made the turbo clean. Did you see it?
Yeah. Oh, that's not stock?
No, it's a homemade.
Yeah.
I mean, they sell the thing, but they don't normally work. But this one worked somehow. It worked. It traps, instead of going to oil going back to the
It's like a catch can, right?
Yeah, I was dumping it, but I need to figure out how this gonna have an oil on it.
Where did you even get that at?
This is actually for you know, for air pressure, air gun.
Oh,
Home Depot.
what the heck?
But did you see the turbo? It was clean.
Yeah.
No oil on it. So now
After so long.
yeah.
100 grams.
Alright guys, we're gonna end it here. We ran out of daylight, so yeah, we're gonna have to continue this another day. Got a lot done, got the hoses out, all the electric stuff is out. Good job, Dad.
Did good.
Yep, but now we just need to lower the subframe and the motor should be out. And yeah, we're just gonna continue this another day. What is that?
No, I guess from AutoZone.
Oh. All right, well, I'll see you guys the next day.